Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys game mode guys, how can we turn off. Friends, we want to off guys infinix phone game mode setting guys. Friends, you don't want to use your Infinix phone by phone game mode settings, so friends you can off easily. And friends, now let's see how can we off Infinix phone by phone game mode setting guys. So when first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on it. After on phone setting, we will on phone search bar. Then guys, we can find easily guys game mode setting, and guys we can use it off it. So once you can see game mode setting, we will tap here. Once you can see your game mode is on, once you don't want to use, so once you can off. After of guys, game assistant panel guys, game data setting guys, this notification setting guys, advanced setting guys, game management setting guys, you cannot use in your infinix phone device. Once you want to use guys your game mode setting guys, you will have to again on it. Then guys the setting will on and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to off game mode in infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.